What's up guys, so welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you some tips and tricks, including this beautiful Mercedes key fob. So hey guys, let's start, and if you like what you see, then please subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on. What's up guys, so welcome to this video. So what I want to show you today are some tips and tricks about Mercedes which I learned. So the first one is when you want to open the car, you can also open windows. And how you do it? Alright, so you need to press the unlock button, unlock the car, and then hold the unlock button. And the windows are going down. So all four windows are now down. And if you want to close them with your key, you just need to hold the close button. And also, if you open and hold, if you have a panoramic sunroof, and that one will open too. And also if you want close, and the panoramic roof will close as well. So when I use this trick is when I'm going to the car, and yeah, I have a private parking, so I can open all four windows, and I can let the hot air exit the car, and then I have a better air inside the car when I enter the vehicle, and then I can close all windows and turn on the AC, and that way the air is quicker, cooler, because I let the hot air go out from the car. So yeah, this is the first one. Alright guys, so the second feature, like a hidden feature of Mercedes A-Class is actually the key. So you could wonder where is the safe key in this key, because when your battery dies in the key, then you need to unlock somehow the car. So it's right here. So this actually is the key. So you just need to press this button, and here is your key. Also, what I learned is when you want to give it back inside the key fob, it's very easy to give it back. Just need to press the button and it goes right there. And also you can hang here some keychain. But what I learned is you can also press again this button, and then you can press it all the way inside. I'm not going to do that now, I'll tell you why. But you can press it inside, and then you don't see anything, and it's much better looking. But also, if you do that, it's very hard, at least in my key fob, it's very hard to do it back like this, because I don't know why, but it's difficult, and you need like something narrow and sharp, like maybe if you have a nail, but you can break a nail. So you need something sharp to put it in the little space here, and then you can open the key. And yeah, so if you don't have long key nails, then, or some object, then don't press it all the way inside. Alright, so if you have this key, then where you can place it and open the car, I'm going to show you. Right, so where is it? So it's just here. So here is the space. Here is the locking mechanism for the physical key. So when the car is locked, you can unlock it with the key. Right, so third feature, which is one of my favorite Mercedes feature, is yeah, this is just great, looks amazing, and you have a profile here. So what is the feature? It's also on older Mercedes and also on other Mercedes other than A-Class, and it's this feature, a rest and I have it here on this button, AC and rest. So what this button does is when you press it, you have a red light here, and now there will be hot air blowing from the vents, and you can go away. Unlock the car, I mean lock the car. And if you can see, the red button, it's still on, so it means that the system is still active. So now you know how you have to activate this. Now I'm going to tell you what this system does. Alright, so what does this feature do? So this is the system which uses residual engine heat to continue to heat up the interior space when you turn off the engine and you are either inside of the car or you are outside, lock the car and leave. So this is happening during winter. So during summer the same button, also rest feature, is keeping you more cold. So it's blowing cold air and also is using like a ventilation of the interior. So I tried it also during summer and also now during winter, and I have to say that I like it more during winter because it keeps the car more warm. During summer is not that effective, I would say. Yeah, so I stopped it during I stopped using it during summer. Sometimes I use it, but mostly I started to use it during winter, and I love it. I turn this button on, I leave the car, I lock it, and I go somewhere, like for example shopping. And when I came back, then the car is still warm, and yeah, it keeps the interior warm and it's very noticeable. So mostly it's using these side vents. It doesn't use these vents at all. So also you can hear from the outside that the heater is on, but only a little bit. And this is using residual engine heat to the point when the engine doesn't have heat anymore, and then it turns off the system automatically. It works around 30 minutes, I would say, depends how hot is your engine. So if you go like on 2-3 mile trip and you turn it on, then it may last only like 5 minutes or so. But if you have like a hot engine or warm enough, then it may last 15, 20, 30 minutes. But I think maximum is around 30 minutes. So even if you leave for like an hour, if you keep it on for 30 minutes, then the car will cool down much slower, and the cabin will be warmer than without using this. So during summer it's not that effective because I don't think it uses AC, because yeah, after like few minutes it stops to blow cold air. So yeah, I use it for this. So when I come back to the car and I'm driving to another location, I have a warm interior. So yeah, that's when I use this feature, and it's fantastic. I really love it. Other cars don't have it. And what I noticed is this is the dual zone climate control, because you have both zones for temperature also here. So the car which has only one AC doesn't have this feature. So if you want this feature, you need to buy the dual zone climate control, which is called Thermatronic. If you have only single Thermatic, then you won't have this feature. Alright guys, so the next feature which I wanted to show you is actually in the glove box. Alright guys, so next feature I need to use a flash, because it's in the glove box. So if you open it, you can also close it with the key which I showed you before from the key fob. So if you open it, then you have here like a hidden stash. So you need to turn this, and here is it. So you can put here some things which you want to hide, or you can use it like me and put here the vest for the emergency. And you need to also turn it, and now it's safely here, and you can use the glove box for other things. But you can also put here anything you want. So basically it's like a hidden stash. Alright guys, so the last feature is here in the switch area. So it's this button, and you have an arrow here. Let me zoom in. So this one. So if you want to have parking lights only on one side when you lock the car and go away, then you need to press it on the side which you want to have turn it on. So this arrow means that this side will be lit up, and this arrow means that the driver's side will be lit up. Of course, if you live in the UK or somewhere where is the right steering wheel is here, then it's vice versa, but also always the arrows point the direction which side will be lit up. So now it's right side. It doesn't show anywhere on the dashboard, it's just here. So let's go outside and check it. So I'm going out and check the lights if they are on this side. I can lock the car. So as you saw, on this side, passenger side, it was on, and now I'm going to turn it on my side. Let's check it out. When I use this feature, also look at this, how the start-stop button is like pulsating. Very nice. So when I use this is when I park on near the curb with my one side near the curb. So when for example the curb is on this side, then I turn and the traffic is on this side, then of course I turn this side on so the cars can see me. And if the curb is on this side and the traffic is on this side, then I turn the lights on this side, so of course again the cars can see me. And I do this only in like tight spots where I know during night some cars may not see me, and I do it only when I stop somewhere like for some like period of time, like 30 minutes or something, for shorter time, so the incoming traffic can see me and don't crash in my car. And yeah, for this period of time it's not too much heavy on your battery, so don't worry and make sure you use this feature. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, then please give this video a like. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comment section down below. And guys, if you like this content, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell on so you are notified for new videos. And guys, many more new videos are coming your way next week, so make sure you're subscribed. So yeah guys, that's it. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon in the next video.